how to add Google Maps friends location widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, tap on widgets, and then we scroll down, then tap on maps. Next, go down, then tap on friends location. So you can either tap on it, then tap on add, or you can drag it to your home screen and let go. Now, from your list of contacts, select your friend's location. So here I'm going to select Jane IT Jungles. And that's it. So whenever you want to check on their location, just simply tap on that shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.